All right, I'm on GoMath page 245 now. Go ahead and get your math book out so you can follow along. Let's get to it. A dripping faucet leaks 12 gallons of water per day, so 12 gallons per 1 day. How many gallons does the faucet leak in 6 days? That's my question. So quantities, I have 12 what? 12 gallons to 1 per day. Per means every one day. And we need to know how much it leaks in 6 days. So the quantity you want to know is the number of what? Well, we want to know how many gallons. We want to know the number of gallons. Okay. So how many gallons per day? We'll set it up. 12 gallons per 1 day. There's our ratio. Times 6 days. And remember, 6 days can be written as 6 over 1. Our days now are going to cross simplify out. And we just have 1 times 1, which is 1. And then 12 times 6. Well, let's do that math. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So 72. And remember, 72 over 1 is just equal to 72. And since we canceled out our days, this is gallons. So the faucet leaks 72 gallons in 6 days. All right, let's go down to number 2. Bananas sell for 44 cents per pound. How much will 7 pounds of bananas cost? So we're setting this up just like we set this one up. Okay, so we start with the ratio, and in this case, this is our ratio. 44 cents per pound. So 44 cents, and it's per 1 pound. And this is money, this is pounds. Okay. And what do we have? So, and what do we have? Not 6 days, but we have 7 pounds. So times 7 pounds. Now I like to write it as 7 over 1. And now we can see our pounds now can cross simplify out. And we're left just with money. So we're going to do 44 cents times 7 pounds. And that will tell you how much money it costs. So I'm going to let you do the math on that to finish that up and get the answer for number 2. But of course, if you have any questions, you want to double check your multiplication, something like that, you're not sure how I set up my problem, please pause the video, raise your hand. If you're watching on YouTube, ask the question in the comments and I'll try to get back to you as quickly as possible. Okay, Grizzly Park is a rectangular park with an area of 24 square miles. The park is 3 miles wide. What is its length in miles? Okay. So we have area, which we learned in the last video is length times width equals area. Okay, in this case, we have the area. Area is 24. And the park is 3 miles wide, so we have the 3. So now it's just a simple algebraic problem, kind of like what we did at our math festival yesterday, where we're solving these algebraic problems. So a number of ways to solve this. We could divide out the 3. So divide by 3, divide by 3. That cancels the 3 out. We're left with L equals, and 3 goes into 24 8 times. So we can find the length that way, and that will be 8 feet. And that's, in my opinion, the simplest way to solve this one. All right. If you have any questions, please raise your hand or comment.